how to enable ChatGPT in VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So first you want to open up your Visual Studio Code application on your computer. And once it's opened up, you want to go to the extensions section so you can expand it, and then go to the extensions from the left panel. Now in the search bar here, you want to type ChatGPT, press enter. And the first thing that shows up is Codex, which is currently OpenAI's supported way of using ChatGPT style coding assistant for the IDEs. So you can simply click on it and then click on install if it is not installed already. And once it's installed, you might need to restart your IDE. Now, if it is running, you should find an icon right here on the top right side, which you can click on to open it up. This window shows up. Make sure that you switch to the Codex tab from the top here. And now you can just simply write your prompts. For example, for creating any app you want, you can select the model from here. And you can also click on the plus icon to add files or stuff, to attach files here to the conversation or the chat. And from this drop down right here, you can basically control the access for the IDE to give it access to files, or if you want to make it ask for approvals or automatically approve for you the selected actions. And then you can send the prompt by clicking this. Now, if you open it for the first time, you might need to link your account. You can basically find a sign in button here to sign into your ChatGPT account on the browser, or click on here and log out or log into your personal ChatGPT account, which will open a browser page to sign in. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.